gym, and if all goes well, I'm going to find the exit right away. This is the beach where I love to sit, right over there around the corner. I had a mini panic attack. It took me 3 seconds to figure out that I have my card in my pants, not in my bag. Oh, so blissfully cool when you enter the room because the air conditioning is on. So the plan today is to do some snorkeling, take a shower, get breakfast, and then we're going to go kayaking, which I'm really looking forward to. Yeah. You see people who are learning how to snorkel. Over there is a woman who is learning people to walk on a rope between 2 trees. And over there, very interesting, is yoga on a paddle, which is not something I think I want to do because it's yoga. I'm not really good at yoga, and doing it on a paddle board in the water I think requires a lot of balance. I might be wrong. Oh, and that is the swing that everybody wants to make a picture on with the sign Rio Maldives. Really cute. But for now, I'm just having breakfast, which is already an activity. So the activity center includes fishing trips, scuba diving, and also water running, which is something that I'm thinking about, and snorkeling. Yes. These are the kayaks, the pedals. It's really a huge operation. They have everything here when it comes to water sports. So with a canoe, however you call it, you're allowed until the 3rd flag. I can hardly see it, but I'm going there. And after that, I'm just going to drink Fanta. Why not? Why not? And this is the view from the ocean to the coast. Isn't it beautiful? I'm not gonna do one single thing. Just rest, enjoy the sunshine, and there's my hobby. Enjoy the view. This is where the movie night is going to happen. You can sit outside, but you can also sit inside. And today's animal might be a rabbit, but I'm not 100% sure. It does have really cute bunny ears. So let's go with a bunny. If you think it's something else, leave a comment in the comment section. Tonight is actually a pretty interesting night. It's movie night. So we're going to the beach pretty early, right after dinner. And then we're going to try to secure a spot, and there's going to be popcorn. I don't really care about what movie it is. I just want to go because when do you get to watch a movie on the beach, right?
Okay, Marion. Young ladies and gentlemen, give me applause for Marion for the first day. Our queen tonight. You have to follow us. Okay? Are you ready? You okay? Yes. Okay. DJ, let's go. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, Marion from Netherlands. Right, so much. Of course, we were gonna film the movie.